Welcome to Intelligence Gateway.
Introduction to AWS. Overview of AWS and its services. AWS, Amazon Web Services, is a cloud computing platform provided by Amazon that offers a wide range of services for building, deploying, and managing applications and infrastructure. AWS provides a reliable, scalable, and cost-effective infrastructure that can be used by businesses and individuals to run their applications and services. AWS offers a variety of services that can be categorized into the following groups. 1. Compute services. This includes services like EC2, Elastic Compute Cloud, Lambda, Elastic Beanstalk, and more that allow users to run their applications and workloads in the cloud. 2. Storage services. This includes services like S3, Simple Storage Service, EBS, Elastic Block Store, Glacier, and more that provide scalable and durable storage solutions. 3. Networking services. This includes services like VPC, Virtual Private Cloud, Direct Connect, Route 53, and more that enable users to build and manage network infrastructure in the cloud. 4. Analytics services. This includes services like EMR, Elastic MapReduce, Athena, Kinesis, and more that provide tools for processing and analyzing data at scale. Overall, AWS offers a comprehensive suite of services that can be used to build, deploy, and manage virtually any type of application or workload in the cloud. AWS Global Infrastructure and Security. AWS has a global infrastructure that consists of multiple regions and availability zones. A region is a geographic location that contains multiple availability zones, AZs, which are physically separate data centers within a region. This architecture provides customers with a high degree of availability, scalability, and redundancy. AWS currently has 25 regions and 80+ AZs globally. Each region is designed to be completely independent of the others, meaning that if one region goes down, it does not affect the availability of applications running in other regions. Furthermore, within each region, there are multiple AZs, which are isolated from one another to provide further redundancy and availability. Customers can choose to replicate their applications and data across multiple AZs to ensure high availability and disaster recovery. AWS also provides a wide range of security services and features to help customers secure their applications and data in the cloud. These services include Identity and Access Management, IAM, which provides centralized control over AWS resources and allows customers to manage access to those resources. AWS also provides tools for encryption of data at rest and in transit, network isolation using Virtual Private Cloud, VPC, and network security using Web Application Firewall, WAF, and other security services. In summary, AWS provides a highly available and secure infrastructure that enables customers to build, deploy, and manage their applications and data in the cloud with confidence. AWS pricing and billing. AWS pricing is generally pay-as-you-go, meaning that customers only pay for the services they use and are charged based on their usage of AWS resources such as compute instances, storage, data transfer, and other services. The pricing structure of AWS services varies depending on the service and the region in which it is used. However, AWS provides a pricing calculator that allows customers to estimate the cost of the services they plan to use based on their usage requirements. AWS also offers different pricing models, such as on-demand, reserved instances, and spot instances, which allow customers to optimize their costs based on their usage patterns and requirements. Overall, AWS provides flexible and transparent pricing and billing models that allow customers to pay only for what they use and optimize their costs based on their usage patterns and requirements.
Thanks for watching. For more information, like, comment, and subscribe our channel.